Hello, today we will guide you through how to give control Zoom. To get started, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure the application is fully loaded and that you are signed in if needed. Starting from the main Zoom home screen will make it easier to follow the rest of the process smoothly. Once Zoom is open, click on New Meeting. This will start a meeting right away and bring you into the main meeting window. If you are practicing this in advance, you can do it in a test meeting first so you can become familiar with where everything is located before doing it in a live session. After your meeting has started, look at the controls usually found along the bottom of the Zoom window and click on Participants. This opens the participant panel, which shows everyone currently in the meeting. This panel is where you manage attendee roles and access, so it is an important area to know when you need to hand over control. In the participant list, find the person you want to give control to. Next to that participant's name, click the three-dot menu. This More Options menu gives you additional actions you can take for that specific participant. If you do not immediately see the menu, you may need to hover your cursor over the participant's name first. Taking a moment here to confirm you have selected the correct person is a good idea, especially in meetings with several attendees. From the menu, click Make a Host. This transfers host control of the meeting to that participant. Once selected, Zoom may ask you to confirm the change. After the host role is assigned, that person will be able to manage the meeting with host-level permissions. Keep in mind that making someone the host gives them significant control over the meeting, so this should only be done when you intend to fully hand over hosting responsibilities. If your goal is simply to let someone help manage parts of the meeting, be sure you are choosing the correct option for your situation. And that's it. By opening Zoom, starting a new meeting, going to the participant panel, selecting the three-dot menu next to the participant, and choosing Make a Host, you can quickly transfer control when needed. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helps make your Zoom meetings easier to manage.